How's it going, guys? Does anyone recognize this rat's nest? This is my mining computer that I built like 4 or 5 years ago for Bitcoin mining, and I have it going right now. It's making like $12 a day ish. I just have it running on NiceHash. Actually, it's on NiceHash OS, just because the easiest. It was the easiest to set up really quickly, but um, also it's just kind of fun to play with uh, computers with a lot of GPUs because they have really good hash rates for even like password cracking and stuff, which is just kind of fun to play with. So anyway, I'm curious to see if you guys are still doing, I guess, mining. And I know that's kind of what my YouTube channel was all about originally, but yeah. So let me know in the comments what you think. I actually just turned it back on because I had it off for a little bit, so that's why the fans aren't spinning, just in case you're wondering. I'm actually a little surprised I haven't turned on yet. You can check on that. Anyway, thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.